Kyle Kaufman, attorney at hkklawoffices.com. I'm going to get into the 10 things in Wisconsin that they consider to be gross income, sources of money that are gross income used for child support. Before I do that though, if you like what we're doing here on our channel, like, subscribe, leave comments so we can make more videos for you. All right, guys, I brought some notes today. I want to make sure I get this right for you. Here are the 10 sources of money that Wisconsin calls income for purposes of child support. Number 1, salary and wages. Okay, that seems pretty straightforward, right? Number 2, interest and investment income. Wow. Okay, interest, like a bank account pays you interest, and your investment income, that can be pulled back in and used for child support in Wisconsin. You bet it can. Number 3, Social Security, disability, and old age insurance benefits. All right. Number 4, here's one, net proceeds resulting from workers' compensation or other personal injury awards intended to replace income. So that means if you're injured at work or outside of work and you're outside of work and somebody pays you money to replace that loss of income that you had, guess what? That can come right back in and be used for purposes of child support in Wisconsin. Number 5, unemployment insurance. Number 6, income continuation benefits can be used. Number 7, here's one, voluntary deferred compensation, employee contributions to any employer's employee benefit plan or profit sharing, and employee contributions to any pension or retirement account, whether or not the account provides for tax deferral or avoidance. A lot of you out there are contributing to your 401k plan or perhaps your pension, and what those contributions that you make, that can be considered for child support in Wisconsin. Number 8, veterans disability compensation benefits and military allowances. And that includes basic allowances for subsistence and housing, but it does exclude amounts attributable to area variable housing costs. Now that's a new development in the law here in Wisconsin, something that you really want to talk to a lawyer about if you're a military person getting veterans disability compensation. Number 9, undistributed income of a corporation, okay? So we're talking about money that's held over, right? Like if you're in an LLC or a partnership with somebody, it says it includes closely held corporation of any partnership, including a limited liability partnership in which a parent has an ownership interest sufficient to individually exercise control or to access the earnings of the business. Okay, so you have to look at, in that scenario, what role the parent is playing in that business. Okay, and then the last one is the catch-all, all other income, whether taxable or not. So guys, those are the 10 things in Wisconsin. Number 10 again is the all other income, whether it's taxable or not. It's the catch-all, okay? These are all the 10 things that Wisconsin says can be considered for child support, for gross income for child support. And it's an interesting list. And if you want to drill down on that, call me, call my office, get a hold of us, and we'll talk to you about your situation, hkklawoffices.com. We'll see you next time on this channel. Thanks.